Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say may God bless you. Keep on watching your girl. I love you all guys. Thank you all for your support. So guys, in today's video we'll be making chicken wings recipe. Yes guys, today's video is all about chicken wings. Here are the ingredients guys that will be needed for this recipe. Here are my wash and clean chicken wings. Here I have my scraped garlic and ginger. I have a little bit of um, butter. I have half cup of honey. I have my hot chili sauce. I have my soy sauce and my liquid Maggi that I will be using, guys. Yeah, with this liquid Maggi and this soy sauce, guys, we don't need salt. So because it has a lot of salt in it, so guys, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, firstly we are just going to dry up our chicken. You have to make sure the chicken is dried. So I'm going to dry mine with my toilet paper. So make sure you dry everything. Make sure the chicken is very dry. If not, the ingredient is not going to enter very well, guys. Okay guys, I'm done drying my chicken. So guys, I'm going to be using my knife to just put a little bit of hole around the chicken wings so that the ingredients will go in very well. We are going to be putting all over the chicken wings, guys. Just use your sharp knife to add all to it. Okay guys, now I'm going to be mixing up all my ingredients together for the chicken. Here is my garlic and ginger. I'll be adding up my butter. You can use olive oil as well instead of the butter. I'm going to be adding up my honey. I'm going to be adding up my hot chili pepper sauce. And I'm going to be adding up my soy sauce, guys. Just have to mix everything together. Then I'm going to be adding up my liquid Maggi. Okay guys, I'm done mixing all my ingredients together. I'm just going to add it up to the chicken wings and mix it together. So guys, after mixing everything together, I'm just going to marinate it for at least 30 minutes. You can choose to marinate yours overnight or for 2 hours or for 1 hour. It's optional guys. So I'm just going to marinate mine for like 30 minutes before I put it in the oven. Okay guys, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to rest for at least 30 minutes before we bake it guys. See you soon guys. Okay guys, I'm just going to add my chicken wings to my pan. Then I'm going to be baking in 200 degrees for 40 minutes. We are going to bake the first part for 20 minutes, then we'll flip it to the other side for the other 20 minutes guys. I'm just going to add the chicken wings to my pan. Okay guys, I'm just going to put it in the oven. Make sure you preheat your oven before you add your pan to your oven. I'm just going to add it to the oven guys for 20 minutes, then I'll flip it to the other side for the other 20 minutes. We are going to be baking for 40 minutes guys. See you soon. So guys, I'm done flipping it to the other side, so I'm just going to allow it to bake for the other 20 minutes. Here guys, our chicken wings is ready. Look at this beautiful juicy chicken wings guys. Yes guys, it's ready. So guys, this will be the end of today's video. If you learn one or two from this recipe, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Until I come your way my next video guys, stay blessed. Bye bye.